Take that link out. Hey, good morning, fam. Trying to get a retest trade here on NASDAQ. Trying to buy for the open. You've already hit break even twice this week, Lang. US30. Hey, what's up, Chris Jackson? I'm on the 1 minute time frame, looking at NASDAQ right now. Look at some Bitcoin. No, I don't only trade reversals. Sometimes I'll just hop in like a continuation Kangaroo Tail down. NASDAQ looks like a sell. See if that trend line is 30. Oh. I'm getting so many messages about Ingot broker. Can't respond to everybody. Yeah. Maybe a 1 hour challenge fuse. I have two, don't forget to be dropping. You know, NASDAQ really hasn't moved too much in the last 4 or 5 hours. Those wicks are looking tempting to sell too. That Bitcoin trade did a stop loss yesterday. Bitcoin just basically bounced between 45K and 46. I see a bull flag though. Yeah, guys, if you didn't see the spread yesterday on Bitcoin, this is how small the spread on Bitcoin is. This is on the 1 minute. Damn, Bitcoin's actually looking like a sell. Yeah, Bitcoin might actually be a good sell right now. Could try to grab like 1 hour, you know. Margin 0.1. See if I can snag 1 hour out of Bitcoin. Yeah, might as well give it a shot. I'm risking 20 for 20. I do like that. I mean, there is a continuation Kangaroo Tail right here too. Is there sound? Pitbill, you must have not heard me when I said about the chat box. Yeah, the chat box does disappear when you make it full screen. I think this little wick here on the hourly for NASDAQ, I think we're gonna go up to that next zone. Or more likely to go up to that zone. I might actually enter a buy. $20 risk margin. This is on the 15 minutes, so let's give you a little bit bigger stop loss. I don't know, it's gonna be interesting if NASDAQ does make lows, unless, alright. Okay, the 1 minute, I mean, we were just going sideways all London session. And then it drops, a little fake out, I guess. Comes back immediately, and we continue going. Well, since we've entered our sell on Bitcoin, we have not moved an inch. Guys, I do have a second choice as a broker also. It's interesting. If you sign up for them and deposit $50, they give you free signals for a year. Here, we'll go through this. I'll post the link. And then we'll look at this signal website to see if they're just not giving you shit signals. But, I mean, free is free. It is Longhorn FX. It's a white label of Osprey or Hugo's Way, whatever. The white label of it. The same, you know how it works. Dashboard and all that. But if you deposit $50 with them, they're giving you signals from Learn to Trade. Damn it, my camera going off, but yeah. Let me see. Where there was like a drop down. Okay, here it is. Right there when you drop down. So these dudes, it's $35 a month, but I mean, they're doing free signals for 1 year. Let me post. Did the link go through? Longhorn. Yeah, so if anybody wants to just throw $50 on there, they'll give you the free year here. Apparently, they're saying it's 75% win rate, but I'll be throwing my $50 on Longhorn just to see what the hell's going on. Damn, maybe not a bigger stop. I mean, that's what these sites are doing too. They're promoting multiple brokers, so makes sense to have different brokers in the bag. Hmm. You know, I really haven't been able to figure trading out this year. What the fuck? Uh, had 6 losing months in a row. Guess the important thing is I haven't fucking given up. I'm still here streaming. I don't know what happened. I mean, this year, first month of the year, winning month. Second month of the year, winning month. Though there was a month. I mean, I can't complain today too. I mean, there was a monster drop here. Did any of you catch that sell right at the open? This Kangaroo Tail on Nasdaq. Yeah, I'm sharing. I thought there that my stop was. I mean, I was on that one. I did the 15 minute. You know. Sharing was month 3 a win? Alright, you said tight stop loss. I'm just reviewing. Where the fuck do you run your stop at here then? Before that candle, okay. We're looking at the 15 minute. I was like, let's put a stop right here, right? That's where I put my stop. And look what happened. This little wick pierced through. And then we did make a new high. Hell yeah, I'm sharing. Appreciate it. Appreciate you being a regular viewer. I don't know where these streams will lead me to one day, but hey, we've got 6,000 followers on YouTube, 5,000 Kangaroo Hunter members. Who knows where the stream will be in 2 years. I'm sharing, you read my fucking mind right there. Cause I talked to Justin a lot. He showed me, I've never seen anybody make that much money in a trade. I won't tell you how much he made, but he fucking sent me a picture the other day and I couldn't believe it. And he's basically not running stops, but he's, I guess, would still close the trade if it goes too far the other way. But that dude made so much fucking money the other day. I was like, bro. But the way he was getting these monster trades was not running stops, but mental stops. Yeah. It's how risky. It's risky because you gotta be more disciplined. You have to actually push. You have to push close. That takes mad discipline. Justin. Well, maybe there needs to be a stop at some point. I mean, I gotta admit, okay, most of my calls are right. I do get stopped a lot, and then my TPs are getting hit. Like this one, okay? When I entered this buy, I was like, you know what? We're gonna go to the open price, right? But not before we made another new low, and boom. Same thing a little bit right here. I'm like, you know what? We've probably got a possibility to go up to this next zone. This Kangaroo Tail actually wicked me out, and boom. Oh yeah, that's good to know, fam. Like a max drawdown, like 10% or something. If someone's gonna have a 10% mental stop, they better have a 90% win rate. You know what just crossed my mind as I'm staring at this signal site? You know how many people probably sign up for services like this and then post them as their own signals and then sell them as their own signals? Seriously, how many of these gurus are actually doing that? Think about it, okay? If you pay in signals and they have a 75% win rate, and if somebody wanted to scam someone, they're going to take those signals and be like, oh, these are mine. I'm epic. Well, one thing a stop loss does is make you evaluate Your entry. Could you have expected? Could I have expected a retest of this low? We're still waiting patiently on Bitcoin. Trying to get our 1R. It would be my luck though to enter Bitcoin on consolidation. Interesting, you got some good Bitcoin news. AMC says customers will soon be able to buy movie tickets with Bitcoin. Why is, okay, so here they list Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then they list Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not in Bitcoin and Ethereum's class. I don't know why they'd even put Dogecoin next to there. I know that shit will go down. Declan, you said you went into the future and you said your trade on Bitcoin is a loss. We shall see. Hey, what's up, gentlemen? Jack Dorsey says Bitcoin will unite the world. This means that Jack Dorsey bought some Bitcoin on the dip. He had to buy Bitcoin on the dip with Elon. And now they got some good prices. I see Bitcoin 100K by the end of the year still. Entry. Balance is only 2,400 because we had to switch brokers. And I didn't want to put 10,000 on this broker yet. Imagine losing 7,500 on stream though if that happened. Well, we're using Bitcoin as currencies on brokers, online poker sites in that sense. And you can buy stuff like, there is some good purpose, like a new egg. You can buy anything on Newegg with Bitcoin. Is there any interesting news right now? Shoot, Techling, talk about fasting. I'll tell you what, like about 10 years ago I did a juice cleanse fast. So I only did fresh juices, vegetable juices, fruit juices. I did like 10 8-ounce cups of juice for 3 days straight. I was so hungry, but by day three, by day three, by the way, if you do a 3-day cleanse, okay, you are going to be spending a lot of time in the bathroom. But by day three, I woke up at 2:30 in the morning and I had so much fucking energy. I gotta get back on that. Check out some fasting, too. Haven't tried to dry fast, though. I know that's good for your mental state, too. The benefits of dry fasting for traders. I know one of my good online poker player friends, he does some fasts. Well, not like juice, like using a juicer, not like apple juice from the store. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Or maybe I'm thinking of the other word. What is it called on? No, yeah, it was just a juice fast. Yeah. Drank a lot of kale. Drink kale. Kale is some good shit. It tastes like, doesn't taste too good, but if you mix some apple with it, it's not bad. Yeah, you can't. It's hard to drink. Hard to drink kale just plain. All right, I'm gonna go check out. Check out some news here. Yeah, I'm back on my multivitamin shit. I just heard a notification. Heard a notification. Fuck was it? A Bitcoin loss. That's what it was. Just broke the zone. Tech Lane has some cheat codes. Tech Lane is cheating right now, guys. The fucking hacker. I don't drink soda. I mean, I probably had one soda in the last year. Probably 10 sodas in the last 10 years. What did you do? What about US30? Woo! What happened? Let's do some evaluation here. Is that a, what's it called? What's that called? I know that's a name. Ascending triangle or something like that. I know this is called something. I don't got it off the back of my head though. Waiting for a breakout. What pattern is that called? Let me double check. And you have that. I know there's a cheat sheet for these quick patterns online. By the way, N1CM, the broker I'm currently using, they got some cool chart videos. They've got a candlesticks video, but of course, I mean, that candlestick guide, and I mean, that's everywhere, YouTube. Chart formation. Oh, okay, symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle. That's what I was thinking. It's either that or ascending. And then did we actually miss a Kangaroo Tail alert? If I'm missing things like this means I need to focus a little more. But that spread on US30 on this broker is hard. I mean, everything else, the spreads on everything else on this broker, just phenomenal. Why did that not give me an alert? Why did this Kangaroo Tail not show up? That one should have. Get to the bottom of this. Max bar is 10. From to the left. Maybe it has to be on 6. Let me see. Max bars. I just want to see if this one shows up. I'll be damned. Why is that one not one showing up? It looks like it's just like slightly outside of range of a Kangaroo Tail, but close one. Apple. Here is Apple on the 1 minute. Yep, totally Apple. Damn, that spread on Amazon is pretty small too. Okay, no, variables. It was just small for a minute. But Amazon spread actually is big. Did gold do any recovering yesterday after just dropping? The NASDAQ spread is just 10 pips. NGOT was 16. I think it was 16. Maybe it was 13, 14. But if you want to see something crazy, I mean, you look at Bitcoin spread. Bitcoin spread is only 100 pips. This is by far the lowest spread for Bitcoin in the forex industry on MetaTrader. You got some divergence popping. Yeah, spread on Bitcoin is about no, spread on Bitcoin is only $10. Between 10, it varies from $10 to 15 if we're talking Bitcoin price. Here, let me just pull up the market watch. So here's Bitcoin. You can look at the spread numbers. Heckling, you think we're shooting up? I think I have checked out CoinEx. I don't think CoinEx was able to accept USA or something. Let me see. CoinEx. Yeah, it doesn't let me open an account. You know, I've been wanting to follow USD CAD on the 1 minute. Ever since I saw USD CAD like 4 or 5 weeks ago, I was in a trade and it shot up and I was up like $280. Like, fuck yeah, we're going to 500. Next thing I know, it reversed to the open price, the New York Stock Exchange open price. So I want to see how USD CAD moves when US30 is moving or so, or NASDAQ is moving. Because this is really, really volatile. And a super small spread. So Yeah, if I look at this, USD CAD has definitely been more volatile than US30 and NASDAQ, both today. Well, I mean, NASDAQ has been pretty wild. Yeah, I click open account there, entry wizard, and I get not found error, so there might be a website error right now. Oh, beautiful trendline example. That's just a pure move. Oh, so you can't trade smaller. What's the contract says? My God, inflation on food costs is 14% thanks to Joe fucking Biden. Fuck Joe Biden. I'll say it. Fuck Joe Biden. Here we go. Look at Tyson Foods grappling with unprecedented inflation. 14%. Just in the third quarter. 14%. Think about it. That's not even a year. That is, 14%. Think about that in one quarter. What the fuck? What is the solution? What is the solution to Joe Biden's inflation? The solution is we got to make more money quicker. That's the solution. Then inflation really doesn't matter. I mean, the solution is just make more money. So as long as inflation keeps going, I mean, it's gonna give Bitcoin a little bit more momentum too. Hell yeah, that is the dream right there. Making enough money so you can buy a piece of land, or just buy a house with 10 or 20 acres. Boom, you're in paradise. That's what I want to do too. Have enough land to have animals on that. Fresh chicken eggs, y'all. Bye bye NASDAQ, I guess. Wow. Some news must have hit right now. Big drop. Damn, what happened? Did Apple just decide to drop? Yeah, Apple did drop. So people are dumping Apple. So I'm going to click on Apple News. Apple stock news. What happened in the last 3 minutes? Anything? I think my Nightbot and Chatbot is going crazy. So Apple just retested the open with some kind of weird M, you know? I know this M has a name. A special kind of M. Can't remember what it's called, but I do know because, I mean, the lower. The market is giving us so many clues, but you only notice them in hindsight. That's the trick. I know someone out there just smashed a 20R trade. I know someone out there in the world just did. One lucky motherfucker put a sell in right here, and they had a stop right here, and they're hitting an amazing trade. Someone out there. Ganja, I remember you posted a picture of some kind of M like this. Can't remember what it was called. Types of M. Entry wizard. Very nice. Be careful. Be careful though. What was your risk percent? Where'd you go yellow? Well, small account or not, I don't. Yeah. We're used to small accounts here on this stream. Trust me, we started from nothing. So we know, I know all too well the feeling of trading on a small account. Nothing wrong with it, it's a good start. I think it's time to get one of those chart patterns and just put it on my wall. I got nothing on my wall. It's just a naked wall. Hey, what's up, Venegarg? 22, thanks for that follow here. Welcome. So you risked about 15%. So you grab about 3.5 hours, almost 4 hours. Don't go bigger, go smaller. After a bigger win, go smaller on a smaller account. Maybe some 1 hour challenge action. You almost have to risk a lot on a small account. Or just use a small account for practice. That's what a small account is, basically just practice. It's like wiffle ball. And then you graduate, you're playing regular baseball. I'm going to order an Amazon poster right now. A Forex chart formation. Forex chart. Oh. Gold drop too? Oh, I think so. You're talking about yesterday. Well, gold's just been dropping all morning, eh? Where's my camera? Guys, I will be right back. I gotta go use the bathroom. I was saying, on NASDAQ, hey, this is NASDAQ hourly. Check out this triple top. How it just drops. This is on the hourly. Okay, just pay attention to that same top pattern. And then on the 1 minute, okay, look at that same top pattern. I mean, it almost looks identical, and then it just falls out of the sky. So NASDAQ is having a little characteristic the last couple of weeks. Yep. Gotta do that whole explanation again, Ganja. Yeah, and I mean, this volatility's only picked up in the last 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, definitely. The market is definitely being very radical. That is a giant M too. I think we gotta mark up, we gotta break down NASDAQ on the chart since from July 22nd. From July 22nd to now. Because look at how, I mean, before May, June, I mean, we were very steady, and now we are just going crazy. And it just shot up like 100 or 600 pips. Ouch, Keratos, that one hurts. You were in a cell? Yeah, that's a monster drop. Yep. We never know. Like, don't know. We can only take a guess and hope to be right. Still looking at these posters on Amazon. I'm not seeing any good ones. I mean, these are all like basic. I don't want a basic poster. Shit. Give me something that has all the chart patterns. It actually looks good. Maybe it does seem unpredictable, but maybe there is an edge. Like, like those triple tops I noticed on the hourly, and then you look at the 1 minute, they have the same characteristics. USD CAD dumping. Well, if this price breaks there, USD CAD will have some bullish divergence. Only a madman will try to buy right now. I think a buy would be suicide right now. I can't find a chart pattern poster with M's. I mean, it's mostly head and shoulders, triangles. Oh, here we go. This might be the ticket. This might be the jackpot. The trade chart patterns. No, it looks a little too technical. I mean, need something with at a glance. Not too technical shit. Yeah, that's probably cheaper anyways. Send it in, get it printed. Simple M and W patterns. Well, USD CAD is continuing to go down. NASDAQ may chill out a little bit. You know, the market did give us a clue too. I mean, look at consolidation. That was a pretty strong resistance for like 4 or 5 hours. So I guess if you consider it, I mean, it does make sense why you get the hard drop. This is what trading is in a nutshell right here. This is what it is. This is all you need to know. Someone asks you, what is it like to trade? Sometimes a KD. Been messing with Forex a little bit, but I'm in the middle of a broker change, so I haven't placed any Forex trades in like 2 weeks. So, but we getting ready to. KD, you think we're gonna go up? Is that what you're saying? Think Nasdaq's gonna pop up here? Well, speaking of Forex, I mean, I might as well check Euro GBP. Why not? Let's check it out. Got an hourly Kangaroo Tail notification. See if it's any good. Kind of at an interesting position. I think this would be a tricky buy. I mean, you got a bullish Kangaroo Tail. Would rather the body be here, but this wick is below there. So possible setup if anybody is looking for a Forex buy. But I mean, it's pretty dangerous to try to buy. Been trending down quite a while. But I mean, it is a Kangaroo Tail on the bottom of a zone, so it could go up. I don't know, NASDAQ might try to break again. I was gonna go back up. Yeah, a little shakeout, consolidation right now. Markets moved a lot, so they're just chilling. Yeah, it does make sense. I mean, smaller traders, I mean, they're gonna try to knock them out right now, right? I know people tried to sell on this bottom right now, and they just got stopped. Guaranteed they just tried to sell this wick. And boom, stopped right away. They might tempt me into a sell. One more sell. One more trade for the morning. They might catch me. But I know the market makers see people trying to make a move out this trend line right now, like me. Does make sense. It could go up a little bit. I think it's gonna pop up a little. It'd be interesting. I think price is gonna pop up a little bit. I mean, these candles stick out like right here if it did retest, and then we did continue back down. So look, you do have price hitting here again too. So it does make sense to see this trend line break and go up. Yeah, Katie, there's a lot of temptation right here for sellers right now. Well, I mean, this trend line. Well, first of all, how far away is the next zone? If we go there, where is the next zone? Let's make some zones with the line chart. That looks pretty good there. You got touches there. And of course, where price is currently. Where would be the most likely zone? Probably about right here. You got some nice touches right here. Price touches here. And then I'll drop one more. Let's see. Here. I mean, if we look back here, July 27th, you had, look at these 4 long red candles. We might get the same movement down, you know? I mean, you got a bearish flag now, too. The more I look at this, the more I'm close to pushing my sell in. I mean, this is the 4th touch now. I mean, 4th attempt at trying to break this zone. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next zone's really not that far away. Fuck you, NASDAQ. You're not gonna catch me yet. I think we're gonna retest the zone 15 to 77. Feeling like a buy is gonna be coming. It's gonna break. The problem with that on N1CM is because they did one contract, but they didn't add another decimal in US30. So that's why the spread is like this. The spread should be 10 times smaller. But I'm trying to contact him and be like, yo, US30, Fred, you need to fix that. There's supposed to be a decimal. Because there's no decimal, that's why the spread is like that. So it's how MetaTrader 4 is reading their contract. But if we can get this spread fixed, we're good to go. Look at Bitcoin spread though, so boom. You like Bitcoin spread, Swag? If you trade Bitcoin, that is. Oops. Yep, gotcha. Just holding some Bitcoin. Guys, I'm gonna hop off here now, I think. going to be watching this. I'm not going to enter a sell yet, obviously. I think it's in trap mode right now if you do try to sell. I think if I am going to sell, I want to see a break of this zone, force the retest, and see if it continues back down. But y'all, I'm going to hop off right now. Hope you enjoyed the stream. I hope some of you did catch that big drop off NASDAQ. That was pretty epic. Hell yeah, for sure, Swag. Thanks for stopping by. Yep, you too. Everybody trade safe. Trade safe for the rest of the day. Thanks for that follow there, KD. Appreciate it. Alright, y'all. I shall see everybody tomorrow morning. Get back to it. If I do decide to enter a trade, I might post it on Telegram. This one, we shall see. Yeah, I'm sure. That's what I'm thinking. I'm leaning towards it's gonna go up a little bit. Yeah, for sure, Saker.